Coscoroba swan. The Coscoroba swan is a species of waterfowl native to South America. It is a year-round resident of central Argentina and along the Uruguay southern Brazil coast. The Coscoroba swan is the smallest species of swan and is known for its elegant appearance and distinctive characteristics. These swans are primarily white with black wingtips and have long, slender necks, similar to other swan species. One of their distinctive features is their bright red bill, which stands out against their white plumage. Coscoroba swans are found in a variety of wetland habitats in South America, including freshwater lakes, ponds, marshes, and lagoons. They prefer shallow water bodies where they can feed on aquatic plants and small invertebrates. These swans spend much of their time preening their feathers to keep them waterproof by cleaning them and reapplying oil from a gland at the base of the tail. Mutual preening reinforces pair bonds. They also have special chambers in their throat which loudly project their call like a trumpet. They have both alarm calls and contact calls. The Coscoroba swan's diet has not been studied in detail, but it apparently feeds on aquatic and some terrestrial plants, small aquatic invertebrates, and small fish. It feeds mainly while swimming or wading in shallow water, and it also grazes on land.